Your biggest mistake isn't falling on YouTube. It's waiting to start. I used to regret not starting a YouTube channel earlier. I think if I started 2 years ago, I'd have 1,000 subscribers by now. But here's the truth. Everyone feels that way. The people winning on YouTube didn't start when they were ready. They started when they were unsure, consistent, and unknown. So your first 20 videos, practice. Your first 50, learning. And your first 100, that's where momentum begins. The only real failure is posting once, then disappear. So here's the challenge for you to grow on YouTube channel. Post one video a day for the next 30 days. No excuses, no perfection. Because 1 year from now, you'll either say, I'm glad I started, or I wish I had. So start today. And this is Mary G, your social media manager. Follow for more.